It's sunrise, our gears are fully ready, and we are good to go. Let's get started. See you there. The Mbita Rusinga Bridge is more than just concrete and steel. It's a lifeline that links the once isolated Rusinga Island to the mainland, opening doors to modernizations. And there they are, very determined to fill your tables with fish such as tilapia and many more. Piercing through the waves, the marvelous Mbita Waterbus sails like a floating boulevard, very comfy, sturdy, and full of life. Lake Victoria can be very unpredictable. Today, it's very calm. But tomorrow, very unforgiving. But today, with the guide of our very experienced rider, we are very privileged to navigate through it. The horizon behind me is tinting golden orange as our boat glides smoothly across the lake, catching a few birds our way. Hey, let's take a very brief break and permit me to introduce to you one of our incredible sponsors, Good Life Safaris, that enable you to discover the heartbeat of Africa and live good by experiencing nature's paradise in the Sahara. So, Good Life Safaris have been creating captivating adventures for a while now, and they specialize in crafting extraordinary safari experiences that leave permanent memories not only in your heart but also in your soul. So they do this by guiding you to explore the iconic African adventures destinations such as the Kenya's majestic national parks, for example, the incredible and the wonderful Ruma National Park of Homa Bay County, most amazing Rusinga Island beaches and resorts with majestic beaches around. They also guide you to conquer most breathtaking peaks with their guides to explore the various mountains and hikes. They also go ahead and guide you to discover various hidden gems in the Sahara, such as the magical bird island with a lot of species of birds in Lake Victoria. So, Good Life Safaris guide you to meet and greet amazing wildlife species all the way from the big five birds and various cats around, including zebras as well. So good life safaris provide you with a tailored experience of safaris, such as uh, beautiful photography in the safari. You also take group adventures and all those luxury safaris that you've ever dreamed about. All these are made possible by choosing from the list of their various safari packages, of course, that are tailored for your preference and schedule. You can always customize them based on your itinerary. Good Life Safaris have a list of passionate and very knowledgeable guides, by the way, that have decades of experience that guide you to brave the most wonderful thickets and bushes of the Sahara. With all that, you can always not only explore in the bush but also educate yourself and stay updated with the latest wildlife news and also trips in the wild. For example, they'll educate you more about how our various wildlife species migrate, what decide on their patterns to move. They also educate you based on your plans before you go ahead and discover various safari. You can also learn more about various national parks like Serengeti. Good Life Safaris also educate you more about photography tips and also conservation measures that are going back at home in Africa. Good Life Safaris has a team of dedicated professionals that work tirelessly to provide you with the most experiences that you'll ever create lasting memories with. Include their CEO, the managing directors, operations managers, and compliance, uh, wildlife consultants, account managers, and also your customer experience is also key with them. You can go ahead and contact them and also book your safari by contacting them in their website, goodlifesafaris.com. Also, you get their contacts in their website. So you can do that and also fill your form to book online at the comfort of your phone, also with your website. You do that by going ahead and book your safari by filling all those details. Your contacts are very important for their customer experience, and also you tell them more about that. So you do that and book your experience. Of course, you have to fill everything. It's very a small form here. So you go ahead and everything, if it's everything is okay, for example, you want to conquer the beautiful Takawiri islands, you go that and book. So once that is done, you complete, you get a message, and also you get a notification in your email that you provided. So be cautious when you're providing your email, because you will use that for your contacts. So what are you waiting for? Good Life Safaris enables you to discover the hidden heart of Africa and live good. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and discover them. Goodlifesafaris.com. Now let's get back to the episode.
Antwolo. Adwa mani ane kati no bora eti bwana. Rekela ugani. Kusawa nyono.
Sprouting from the heart of the lake rises a marvelous living jewel, the Bird Island.
And this is the Bird Island. This rocky jewel is alive. Bro, wadima chiegni. Tong'onya de machini kode kama. Eh, koso timo gode ahinya. Onyalo mako ni machine. Oh.
And finally, the marvelous Bird Island, a sanctuary alive with wings. With over 300 bird species, call this haven home. Let's see how many we'll manage to record. So walk with us. Enjoy. And here, basking lazily on a warm trunk, the master of leisures, the minister of enjoyment, always on long holiday. His main talent, stealing eggs from birds and other oviparous animals. Only the swiftest and the fastest survive. And here, the king diver, fresh from a hunt, now sunbathing like it just paid for a VIP spa. Wings spread, shouting, Netflix, air, and a chill. Of love. View de. Zoom in image. Sing maximum. So at times living in the jungle might prove so brutal and unforgiving. These are young species, barely 3 weeks old. They are still fibbling and finding their ways and discovering new expanse of the legendary Bird Island. To start your way up to the 3 weeks age that they are at,
you have to start from a single cell. This is an unlucky one. It just dropped from the arboreal nest right over here. The mother never made a mature nest, or probably the battle of occupation. So it found its way to the grave. As we trail, we catch two tiny chicks confidently guarding their tax-free bungalow, waiting like hungry landlords for mom and dad to deliver the warm rent. Very beautiful. We wish you the very best as you find your way through the Bad Island. Deeper into the forest, a fully grown one, shouting at every passerby. Bird watching is one of those very few activities where you get rewarded for doing nothing, but remaining still, motionless as you watch. Today we are privileged to catch a few. To us, it has been a fulfilling one. And now, as we sail away from this paradise of wings and laughter, thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey by liking, sharing the video with your loved ones and family, leaving your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and your hearts full of nature. See you soon. Bye bye.